Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about the distribution. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. HO we can write about there is no difference in the age of the two groups. The H1 we can say there is difference in the age of the two groups. So about significant level we got about 0.05. So in this situation we need to use about 0.025. That's about this number divided by 2, and we will use about 2 tail test. And now we will apply the formula. That's about t test equals to S1 bar minus S2 bar over, this one very long, the square root. We have sigma number 1 square and 1 minus 1, and we have sigma number 2 to the power of 2 and 2 minus 1 over n1 plus n2 minus 2 multiply with the square root of 1 and 1 plus 1 and 2 . So we just input the number in here. So S1 bar, that's about 27.3. Minus S2 bar, that's about 28. Sigma number 1, that's about 2.4. And 1, that's about 35. Sigma number 2, that's about 3.1. And 2 is about 35. Now we put n1 and 2 is about 35. This is about 35. You will get about negative 1 0.056. And now we need to find about t critical value. Before we go to critical value table of t distribution, we need to find df. This is about degrees of freedom. So we have n1 plus n2 minus number 2. So you got about 35 plus 35 minus number 2, and you got about 68. And we know that 0.025, and we will go to the table in here. This is about t distribution table, and we need to go to 68, and we know 68 should be in here, and 0.025, that should be this one. So we go down in here, and if we look carefully, 68 between 60 and 80, so we can choose about 1.005, because this is about two-tailed test, so the value should be about between negative 1.995 and 1.995. But according to the value we just calculate, this value is between two numbers in here. So we can say that we cannot reject HO because this value in here is greater than t calculate. So we cannot reject HO, and we can say that there is no difference in the age of the two groups. That's the end. Thank you for watching.